Okay, let's say we're going to find the work done if the object is on a rough inclined plane. So we have a inclined plane and there we have a rough surface. Okay, so let's say the object is here. Okay, the object is pulled at a uniform speed up the surface of a rough inclined plane, which is done against gravity and against the frictional force. Okay, because it is inclined, rough inclined plane, so it means that first it is against the gravity, and also we have to consider there is a frictional force. So we have to find, if let's say the question is total work, so it means the work against gravity plus the work against the frictional force. If we look at example 4, okay, a rough surface is inclined at tan inverse 7/24 to the horizontal. So here the question doesn't give you the degree or the degree of the inclined plane, but actually it's still the same where the theta is actually tan 7/24. Okay, a body of mass 5 kg lies on the surface and is pulled at a uniform speed of a distance of 75 cm up the surface by a force acting along the line of greatest slope. The coefficient of friction between the surface is 5/12. Okay, so the question is find the work done against gravity and also the work done against the friction. So how are we going to find the against the gravity? So we will use the formula of mgh, where it is 5 mass, 5 kilogram. Your g is 9.81. And how about the height? So if you look at the height against gravity, means your gravity will always point it down. So against gravity will always go up. Okay, it will always be in this direction. So the height, so if let's say the object is starting from here or maybe here, okay, we just put in the center so it is easier for us to look at. So if let's say it is center, now the distance, the object have moved here, right? So if let's say this is the origin position, so it move here, so your h will be somewhere here. Okay, so how are we going to calculate the h here? So we know that theta is here, so if let's say theta here, so your theta would be here. Okay, or maybe I can just simply use the triangle, much more easy I think. Okay, let's say I'm using theta here. So theta is tan inverse 7/24. So this one is 75, right? The distance is 75. So we have 75 here, and then your h will be here. Okay, so how are we going to find the h? Should we use sine, cosine, or tangent? Okay, so we get sine theta is h/75. So your h is 75 sine theta. So would be 75 sine theta here. So if you multiply mgh, you will get. But before that, what is sine theta? So you need to find your sine theta from your tangent here. So tan theta, what is this? It should be tan theta here, yeah? Okay, so tan theta is equal to 7 over here this is theta is equal to tan inverse 7/24. So tan theta is equal to 7/24. 24. Okay, so your theta here is theta 724. So you need to find your hypotenuse here. 7 square plus 24 square is 625. Square root of 625 is 25. Okay, so your sine theta, opposite over hypotenuse. So you substitute here 59.81 times 75 times 7.25. So here your answer would be 9.81 times 75 times 7 divided by 25. So you will get 10. Yeah, I forgot to change this one is in cm. Cm, so we need to change to meter. So it should be 0.75 times 7 divided by 25. So you get 3005 joules. Okay. This is the work done against the gravity. So now we're going to find the work against the friction. Okay, if let's say for the friction, F equal to Fd. Okay, friction, it move the frictional force is here. So the force, you're going to find the force here. Okay, so because we have a friction, so we use mu r. So your mu is 5.5 over 12. Okay, your r, how are you going to find your r? Okay, so how are we going to find the r? So if let's say this is r, and then we have 5g, and your theta is here. So r is equal to negative 5g. Okay, 5g we're going to find in Fy. Fy, so means that negative 5, Fy is sine theta, because here is means you want to find cos theta. Okay, so cos theta, cos theta. Okay, so from here, from tan inverse from this triangle, so your cos theta is cha. So adjacent over hypotenuse 24 over 25. So 5.981 times with cos theta is 24 over 25. Answer here is 5 times 9.81 times 24 divided by 25 is 47.008. So I'll substitute here 008. Okay, the distance is 75 centimeter. So should be changed to meter. 0.75 times 5 divided by 12. So my answer is 14.715 joules. Okay, before I continue, okay, this is the final answer. Okay, before I continue with the next video, okay, if let's say this one you are not sure, you can always use the Fy equal to 0. Okay, so this one you have R, and this one is at the negative, right? Negative 5. You have cos theta equal to 0. So R is 5g cos theta, in case you are wondering why I straight away get this.